That's okay. So what color is this?
Me.
What color is this, Andrew?
Red.
What color is this?
Red. Too.
And what color is this?
Green.
Do you know what shape this is?
Me too.
What is this? Is it a square?
Yes.
Yes, it is. And what shape is that?
Over.
It's a circle.
A circle.
A circle is round, huh?
Yeah.
And what shape is this?
Triangle.
Okay, good job. So what we're going to do is we're going to take, and what color is the circle up here?
Pink.
No, the circle, baby. What color is the circle?
Blue.
Very good.
Too.
So do you see other circles on this page?
Yeah.
Show Mama Kim where they are. 2 and 3. So can you color those circles? What color? What color do you think the circles should be?
Blue.
Very good. So let's get the blue crayon. Get the blue crayon, baby. Where's the blue crayon? There you go. Now, color the other circles blue for Mama Kim. Can you do that? Good job. That's really good, Andrew. Good job. Okay. Now, what shape is that again?
Triangle.
And what color is the triangle? What color is the triangle?
A shape.
Right, it's a shape. But what color did we color the triangle? What color is this?
Green.
So, well, I don't think we should do that one blue. Let's get the green crayon. And do you see other triangles on your paper?
Yeah.
Okay, let's color all the triangles green. Okay? Good job. Let's try. Yep, let's try to hold that just a little bit better and do all the triangles green. Okay? Now, what shape is this again?
Pink.
Well, it's red. But it sort of looks pink, huh? But it's red. And what shape is this? Do you remember?
A shape.
Right, and it's square, huh? Is it square? It's like a block. Are blocks square?
Yeah.
Okay. So what color did we make that block?
Pink.
How about red?
How about red?
And let's get the red crayon and let's color all the squares red. Good job. Very good. Do you know how many squares there are? Can we count them? It's 1, 2, 3, and this one is how many? 4.
4.
Let's count them again. How many squares are there? Can you count them?
1, 2, 3.
Very good. High five, bud.